Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Funny how that right brake light suddenly decides to work after getting hit. This idiot blows through a stop sign and smacks right into a biker. Looks like someone was in a rush to go absolutely nowhere. One-way roads are tough, right? I'm still trying to wrap my head around this one. What part of the left lane says turn right? Guess he didn't want to be stuck behind a Home Depot rental. The level of idiocy and reckless control is unbelievable. The light went from green to red, skipping yellow, when I was just 10 feet from the intersection. At least he realized his mistake and got back to his lane. Dashcam makes it look pretty calm, but we had to slam on the brakes. That was a very close call for us. This idiot on the motorcycle was doing burnouts in the rain with a friend. This person doesn't get how lanes work in a construction zone.
"12 seconds later. This drunk driver nearly rear-ended a semi, swerving all over the highway. Well, thank God I had to turn right instead of going straight. Looks like we're living in the slow lane. Any ideas on how to fix this? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.